18th of Rabiul Akhir, Urs Mubarak Ab, Sultanul Mashaykh, Khwaja Nizamuddin Awliya Hanafi, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh. Shaykhul Mashaykh Hazrat Khwaja Sayyid Muhammad Nizamuddin Awliya Mahbub-e-Ilahi Hanafi, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh, was born on the 27th of Safarul Muzaffar in 634 Hijri in Badayun, Uttar Pradesh, Hind. He received his early education and training as an orphan under the affectionate supervision of his pious mother. He then learnt from other teachers for further studies and gained a certificate upon completion. His curiosity and love with divine knowledge took him to the court of Hazrat Khwaja Baba Fariduddin Masood Ganj Shakar, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh. He had the honor of taking an oath of bayat to Hazrat Baba Fariduddin Masood Ganj Shakar, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh, who later granted him with his khilafat, spiritual vice-regency. He took off his own holy cap and placed it on Khwaja Nizamuddin's head. Thus, he delegated him as his spiritual pivot. All his excellences are so distinguished and grand that they cannot be fully written down. He continued propagating Islam and guiding the people to the right path throughout his life. He illuminated the ways to Islam and enlightened the hearts and souls of people by virtue of the light of Islam. He guided countless people towards the right path, and they received solace in his companionship. The seekers of divine knowledge would visit him from different Islamic territories. He made ma'rifah, the intimate knowledge of Almighty Allah Azza wa Jal, well known, and prepared thousands of mashayikh, spiritual guides. Khwaja Nasiruddin Chiragh Dehlvi and Sultanul Shu'ara, king of poets, Hazrat Khwaja Amir Khusro, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhima, are amongst his glorious khalifas, spiritual vice-regents. Shaykhul Mashaykh Hazrat Khwaja Sayyid Muhammad Nizamuddin Awliya Hanafi, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh, passed away at the age of 94 on the 18th of Rabiul Akhir in 735 Hijri. His holy shrine is situated in Delhi, Hind, and is a great source of blessings for its visitors from every class of society. May the blessings of Almighty Allah Azza wa Jal be upon him, and may we be forgiven without accountability for his sake.
खुदा का खास इनाम है ये